Wendy. I wish you all the best. And dalaga ka na. Pagbutihin mo lang yung pag-aral mo, study hard, and huwag mo na mag-boyfriend. Alam mo yan, bata ka pa. Yan, basta happy birthday sa'yo. Wish you all the best.
Hey Wendy, I just wanted to wish you a happy 18th birthday. And I wanted to tell you that you're a real dear friend to me. And God bless you in your 18th year.
Hi Wendy, happy birthday. Maging ganap na dalaga ka na. Sikapin mong matapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral at magiging mabait na anak. Yan lang, pakabait ka.
Heyo, ako Budoy.
Hello, ako Buday.
Happy birthday, Tita Wendy.
Happy birthday, Tita Wendy.
Huling birthday mo na yan, ha?
Ngayong taon.
So, paano? Out na kami. Time na eh.
Bye-bye.
Stand ka ba?
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday Wendy and more birthdays to come.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Wendy. Nice.
Happy birthday, Wendy. Uy, 18 na siya. Dalaga na. Have a great one and be a good girl, okay? Happy birthday again.
Hey Wendy, I just want to wish you a happy 18th birthday. Nako, dalaga ka na. So it's time to be serious with life. But enjoy life. Always listen to your parents and always listen to God. And remember that a lot of people love you. So happy birthday. May you have a million more birthdays to come and may the Lord give you the desires of your heart. So happy birthday, Wendy, and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Wendy. Happy birthday. Mama, chuk chuk. Mwah.
Birthday, happy 18th birthday, dalaga ka na, enjoy mo yan, at nandito lang ako para sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Tita Wendy. I love you. Happy birthday, Ate Wendy. Happy birthday, Ate Wendy. We love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Wendy.
Hello Wendy, happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Sorry na makapunta sa birthday mo kasi may report kami and wish ko para sa'yo. Sana maging healthy ka pa and gumanda ka palado kagaya ko. And I'm thankful kasi naging kaibigan mo ako. Kahit tayo masyadong close, invite mo ako niya sa video mo. Sorry tayo na makapunta. Bawi na lang ako next time ha. Sige, yun lang. I love you very much, Wendy. Stay pretty. God bless you.
Hi Alvin Dizon, kamusta ka na
hi.
pala? Balita ko sikat ka na sa Facebook ah.
Hindi naman po. Konti lang nakakaya tuloy sa inyo.
Ano pala masasabi mo sa iyong kaibigan malapit ang kanyang mahalagang kaarawan?
Ayun, si Wendy Domingo. Happy birthday. Sana pagpatuloy mo yung pag-aaral mo, galingan mo. Keep up the good work.
Hi Wendy, si Amy to, kasi mo sa Canada. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy 18th birthday and I wish you all the best in life. Sana maging masaya ka and may God bless you always. And I miss all of you guys there. I miss you and thank you. Bye!
Hi Wendy, happy 18th birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. Always in good health. And lot of blessings to you and to your family. Dalaga ka na pwede ng ligawan. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Happy 18th birthday, Wendy. Love you.